you're experiencing crashing issues with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common issues that may cause your console to crash. Step 1. Restart your console. Begin by completely powering down your Xbox Series X. Press and hold the power button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the settings menu on your Xbox Series X, go to System and then Updates. Check if there are any available updates for your console. If there are, download and install them, as updates often contain important fixes for stability issues. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, turn off your console and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back and turn it on. This can help resolve temporary issues that may be causing crashes. Step 4. Uninstall problematic games. If the crashing occurs during specific games, try uninstalling and reinstalling those games. Go to My Games and Apps, select the game that is causing issues, press the menu button and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall the game from your library. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps resolve the crashing issue, it may be time to contact Xbox support. They can provide further assistance and help diagnose any hardware problems that may require repair or replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the crashing issues with your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, seeking professional support is the best course of action.